Hi guys, I'm Rob from Currys, and today I've got a few tips when you're making a video call on your mobile. First, how to avoid running out of data. Next, making the picture as good as possible. And finally, muting yourself and why. Let me show you how. When you video call on your mobile, it uses your data allowance, just like when you're streaming videos or listening to music. So try connecting to Wi-Fi to avoid running out of data. Nowadays, most people have a mobile package with a high or even unlimited data allowance. So this isn't an issue and you can chat for as long as you like. But if you do have limited data, connecting to Wi-Fi is your best option. Now, some apps like FaceTime, Zoom, Messenger, WhatsApp, they adjust the call quality based on the signal strength, so a good signal is important for a good connection. And if you're using Wi-Fi, try not to stray too far from the router for a better connection. When you're on a video call, you want people to be able to see you, so good lighting is key. Now, if the room you're in is quite bright, having your phone facing the window or the direction of light is not the best idea, as the person on the other end will just see you as a shadow surrounded by bright lights. To avoid this, reverse the way you're facing so that you're facing the window and the camera faces away from direct sunlight. That's going to look so much better. If you're on a video call, there's nothing worse than hearing distracting noises in the background. Microphones these days pick up everything, especially headphone mics, as they're designed to pick up audio from a bit of a distance. So if you're not speaking, it's simply best to mute yourself. So to demonstrate this, I've got my friend Ben on a video call and he's currently typing. Ben, can I get you to mute yourself? There you go, he's muted, we can't hear anything. So to mute yourself, simply press the microphone button and then they won't be able to hear anything. So if your kids are making noise or if you want to carry on typing, they won't know the difference. If you would like more info or top tips on how to get the most out of your tech, visit us in store, online, or chat to one of our experts on ShopLive.